What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Moonriver, which has gone absolutely crazy over the last couple of days. It is still 63% up and currently valued at $34. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to next. Can it potentially hit $50 by the end of the year, so over the next week? And also, what can we expect from Moonriver going into 2024? How high is it likely to go, and so on? And as you guys can see, yesterday I did make a prediction on the crypto, but it clearly exceeded my predictions and has gone absolutely insane. So we're going to be looking at, is now the right time to buy it, or is it way too late? Have we missed the boat, or is it still time to invest into it before it pumps up to about $50 to $100 in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart and the SMA indicator, which is the purple line here. This gives us the average value of Moonriver, which is here in purple, at just over $10. But Moonriver is clearly trading at a much higher value here in red at nearly $34. However, that means it's performing very well, but it is also means that it's overvalued. So it does have a small chance of crashing back down to around below $15, but we'll get to that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking, well, quite bearish, looking quite steep as well, looking very negative, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Moonriver over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow, the crypto should have dropped back down in value. However, I'm expecting it to pump back up over near about $40 is where it should be trading at by midday tomorrow. But in between that time, do expect more red candles, potentially dropping down to around $30 here over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to pump back up, heading to around $40 in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from Moonriver over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So what does this mean for Moonriver? An overall drop in value, but as you guys can see, it is not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning it is much more realistic, and I do go by what it says on the graph. So yes, I'm expecting an overall drop in value from Moonriver over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially by the end of next week, we should expect Moonriver to have dropped back down to around below $20 is what I'm expecting. Reason for that is it is way overvalued right now, and it is likely to start hitting red days over the coming days, slowly dropping back down to below $20 or even below $15, guys, by the end of next week, meaning towards the very end of the year, should be around the 31st of December. I'm expecting Moonriver to have dropped back down to around between $15 and $20. But again, the reason is because of the major pump that took place yesterday and today. The crypto is way overvalued. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, well, this is not realistic at all. The blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning an overall major pump in value is what is expected over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, that is not what I'm expecting. So around February, March 2024, I'm expecting Moonriver to be trading around $35, $30 to $35, somewhere in around that price range is where it should be trading at. However, before that takes place, it has to go for a price correction, which I'm expecting to take place over the coming week or two, dropping back down to $10 approximately, and then slowly starting to gain value in January, February, March. So essentially in Q1 of 2024, gaining back value to just about $35 is what I'm expecting. But again, the reason I'm saying is gonna potentially head back up is because I'm expecting the crypto market to be moving towards a positive direction in 2024. So if we get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale, we can see we are still trading in the red zone, but we are getting very close to hitting the resistance target here, which is $58. So I'm expecting Moonriver to be hitting the resistance target in Q2 of 2024, and potentially by mid next year, guys, we should be trading in the green zone, meaning around over $60 is what I'm expecting. And as mentioned in the thumbnail, can Moonriver hit $100? Yes, it can, but not anytime soon. It is going to take at least a good 8 to 12 months, guys. So essentially in the second half of next year, or even Q4 of next year, is when I'm expecting Moonriver to be hitting the $100 mark, meaning pumping up to the dark green zone here. So yes, it is going to require a lot of percentage increase and also a lot of time for it to slowly and steadily increase in value, because we want it to be sustainable. We don't want it to just randomly pump up in value, because that will make it not sustainable. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 250% in the last 24 hours, making it $936 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. Is getting a lot more attention right now. According to Binance, as you guys can see here, it is the 4th top gainer in the last 24 hours. So yes, guys, it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people are starting to trade the crypto. And the fact that over the last week itself, it has pumped up near about 400% is insane. And most of it did come from yesterday and today. It's done at least about 250% yesterday and today alone. So that's how much overvalued the crypto is. So what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, what are your predictions for Moonriver, guys? What is the highest figure or lowest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.